Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas and I can't even believe I made it for like 2 days straight, but here I am. The one thing I have noticed is if I talk through the vlog and I don't have to voice over so much, then it really helps me to edit. It is 3:15 and I'm just now starting the vlog for the day. I have did nothing all day long but edit and answer emails, sponsorships, stuff like that. So I need to get my rear end in gear because Allie's fixing to be home. Alden was picking her up. Heather is at the grocery store. I'm gonna make hamburgers tonight, but I'm not a hamburger person. I just don't really like care for hamburgers. So, unless it's the Sonic one with mustard. But anyway, I'm gonna make me and I know Lexi and Lakely and Heather. I'll eat it. But anyway, I'm gonna make cabbage soup. I don't know if you've ever had it. I had it the very first time at Shoney's and I found the recipe and I love it. And if you're doing like low carb, this, you can eat all the soup you want. This is like so good for low carb. Obviously I'm not because I eat anything and everything. I mean, I don't have any kind of diet, but I do eat a variety of foods. Like I eat vegetables, I eat fruits, I eat everything. So anyway, I need to get some laundry done. I need to get this house tidied. I mean, I'm not like on a deep clean. I say that and I'm probably gonna be like scrubbing the floor on my hands and knees or something. Who knows where I'll end up. This whole house needs just picked up mainly. So if I can just get it looking decent, we can walk through without kicking, tripping, all that, that'd be great. So anyway, come along, spend the evening with us. I guess maybe this can be an evening time routine because this is pretty much what we do. Allison doesn't have a ball, so don't have to worry about picking her up. She's gonna be home all afternoon. But anyway, just hang out with us for the evening. I know a lot of people live by themselves and they're lonely, or you're older and you don't have family close, so maybe you can feel like you're hanging out with us for the afternoon. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you do, thanks, and you're welcome here anytime. Okay, our cat litter reeks. Okay, it's in Heather's room. I made her move it in there. I was like, they're your cats and they stink so bad. Like, I love them, but they stink so bad. So I remember I had a cat a long time ago, like years and years ago, in the house, and I would use these pine pellets, natural pine pellets, and it worked so good. Like the smell, it worked so good. And Heather tried it once a while back on one of her cats, and not the cats she has now, I know, but it's been a long time ago and they wouldn't use it. They were like scared of it or something. But anyway, we're gonna try it again because I can smell it from her bedroom. I get ready in there, I take like showers, baths, whatever, do hair, makeup in there, and it's gagging me. So we got to do something. Also, Allison bought me an ear camera off TikTok shop. I don't know if any of y'all like that. I should be an ENT because I love to dig like Lee's nose, clean it out, her ears, like all my kids' ears. I would always keep the wax out and keep it clean, but it's a little camera and you can put it in your ear and you can see the wax and then you can pull it out. It's so satisfying. So if you like doing stuff like that, you would probably love that camera. That was so totally off subject, but cat litter, earwax, whatever. So the other evening, I haven't seen Lakely in 2 days and I'm withdrawing. This is ridiculous, Lexi. But anyway, the other evening we made salt dough ornaments and Lakely, we made her little hand prints. I don't know why one hand looks bigger than the other, but whatever. And then we made a footprint. And then we never did a baby footprint for her when she was a baby, but I made this one. It was extra dough. And what I did is you do your hand like this and you stamp it and it makes like the little footprint. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make the big toe bigger, of course, and the little one smaller, but you just stand it in. And look, it looks just like a footprint. So, whatever. I mean, I'm such a dork. What am I even doing with my life? We made a gingerbread person and a Christmas tree because I had the cookie cutters for that. And then she was playing with Play-Doh and she had dinosaur little cutouts, so she made those. He got his tail a little burnt, but it's okay because I'll probably paint them anyway. I bought this little ribbon. So what I did with this is I just poked a straw in it and it just pokes a hole. So you can put your ribbon through there. Then, okay, so this was a cup and a half of flour, just all-purpose flour, half a cup of salt. You mix that together, you roll it out, let them do it, shape it, whatever, and then you put it in the oven on a cookie sheet and you bake it at 200 degrees for like an hour and a half. So yeah, I think that's really cute. So if you're looking for something to do with your kiddos or those grandbabies, there you go. First things first, I'm gonna try to get this kitchen picked up. So I feel like if the kitchen's clean, the rest of it doesn't even matter. That's probably my problem. And just a little tip. If you've ever had a bowl or something that has like a little lip on it and it kind of holds water from the dishwasher or a cup or anything like that, I start at the bottom and I unload. So I unload from the bottom up, and mine dries really, really well. So I usually don't have that problem, but I hate to pull a bowl out or something and then it splashes and get all your dishes wet. So start at the bottom, work your way up. That way if you're up here and you pull a bowl out, then you don't get all of your stuff wet.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on it.
I've also been working on a Christmas cross stitch, and I'm almost done with that. I think that's going to be so pretty. And then I've got this one almost done too. So that one's going to be really cute too when it's done. But who has time for this, right? I've been working on it since summer.
And longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The star kiss for all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call.
Is yours flat?
I'm so good at slime bubbles, you don't understand. Hold on, let me do
it.
this. Like, put it up to the camera.
Here, Wakey. Here's your ball.
Well, you got water running down here.
Do not spray my baby. Is that Bobby mean to you? You scared of it? She said, I said no. Thank you for putting it back. What are you doing?
House player.
Why? I didn't do nothing.
Her face, she was like, stop doing that. Tell him to stop. Slaw. Can you say slaw? One of my subscribers sent me cheese sticks for Flash because he eats cheese sticks. Blakey, come here. Oh! Spray Papa, spray Papa, spray him, keep, no! Say stop! Ah! I got a camera, stop. Don't spray my camera, it's not working. Look at she's like, spray me now, spray me now. Sorry, my legs ain't very big.
That's what you get, you little bossy britches.
I said no.
shows through the